In this video, we will use Matplotlib in Python to draw the line plots. We will use its method plot. First, we need to create a simple script. I will use gedit editor and call it temp plot. We will draw the lines for daily temperature. So that's why I'm giving the name temp underscore plot.py. First, we need to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, so we can use plt instead of pyplot, and we will have a list of where we will store the daily temperature. So its name will be temp, and then you can use the daily temperature. Now we will plot the daily temperature in a line plot by calling its function plot and passing in our list. It's gonna be plot plt and plot and pass in our list temperature temp, and now we need to call the show function to show this our plot. So it's gonna be plt dot show, and we just need to save it and run this program. And on our terminal we can do this python 3 and then our script name temp underscore plot and .py. So here we have nice looking a simple line plot. So this way you can use Matplotlib in Python to draw a simple line plot. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.